Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into HubSpot Marketing Hub for e-commerce lead capture, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.hubspot.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the HubSpot website. Look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you prefer to stay logged in on this device, check the box labeled Keep Me Logged In. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button. If your information is correct, you will be redirected to the HubSpot dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Marketing section in the main menu. Hover over or click on Marketing to reveal additional options. Select Lead Capture from the drop-down menu to access lead capture tools. You'll be presented with various options for capturing leads. Choose the method that best suits your e-commerce needs, such as forms, pop-ups, or chatbots. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your chosen lead capture method. Customize any settings or design elements as needed to align with your brand. Once everything is set up, save your changes. You are now ready to start capturing leads for your e-commerce business using HubSpot Marketing Hub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.